Why does your scanner show the P0572 engine code? What does it mean? P0572 is a diagnostic trouble code for brake switch a circuit low. This engine code indicates that your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a lower than expected voltage in the circuit for the brake light switch. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Brake switch failure, wiring issues, corroded or loose connectors, faulty fuse or relay. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.